I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So this is a Tangerine Scream ST right here. I love this color. Absolutely pops in the sunlight. And you definitely notice it going down the road. But what's crazy about this is actually, it's a big turbo on this thing. It's a GTX 2867R turbo. Makes a little bit north of 400 horsepower, 400 wheel. It's got a stratified 2-port fuel system. Got CPE intercooler, MBRP charge pipes with a tile blow off valve. Got Roush intake, a Roush full exhaust, and obviously a cob access port to go along with everything, tie everything in together. Thing's actually sitting on 19 TSW wheels, and this car is just beautiful.
There's no denying what we want.